Hi there, you are watching this Market Outlook webinar dedicated to promoting Made in Taiwan rubber and plastics working machinery in EMEA, especially for Turkey, Africa, and Middle East markets. I'm your host, Alex Lien. According to statistics of the International Trade Center, Taiwan shipped the above-mentioned machines with more than $900 million, accounted for 3.7% of world exports, ranking number 6 in 2020. Major kinds of machine include injection molding, vacuum molding, blow molding, and extruders. In this webinar, we invited 3 professionals from the industry presenting their latest products and techniques. But for that, Director Chen and Director Ye of Taiwan Trade Centers at Istanbul and Cairo will give us welcome remarks and encouragement, respectively.
Good morning, distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen. This is Jimmy Chen, the Director of Taiwan Trade Center Istanbul. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to this webinar dedicated to promoting Taiwanese plastics and rubber working machinery. It is one of TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei DigitalGo series events with an aim at connecting our leading exhibitors with you, growing business together via the web to overcome the pandemic's barrier. According to the statistics by the International Trade Center, Taiwan shipped machinery to the world with $900 million in 2020, and to Turkey was around $24.4 million. It might not be so significant at first sight, though, especially when you compare it to $600 million of this category, which Turkey imported from the world. However, Taiwan was ranked as Turkey's top 5 supplier for rubber or plastic machinery. Taiwan's machines enjoy a good reputation of high quality, reliability, and quick response to users' business demands after their sales. Besides, Taiwan is also known for her comprehensive supply chain and cross-sector integration. In this webinar, I'm very pleased to present you 3 renowned Taiwanese plastics and rubber working machinery manufacturers. TIEN KANG, an injection molding machine expert, HCI, a specialist in the design and manufacture of the full range of converting equipment and machinery for flexible package, and LIEN FA, another injection molding machine builder accumulating the rich design experience. Representatives from these companies will brief you their best practices of the machines and field applications to grow your business. I believe this webinar can create further business cooperation between Turkey and Taiwan. Once again, thank you for joining us and look forward to seeing you at the 2022 TaipeiPLAS show.
Hello, my dear friend. Assalamu alaikum. I'm the director of Taiwan Trade Center Cairo office, Mr. Michael Ye. First of all, I'd like to express my welcome for you to attend today's TaipeiPLAS webinar. As you may know, that Egypt we have a 200 million population. That means we have a huge domestic market, especially for the industry, such as like this food box and also packaging material for food use. We have a huge demand for these kind of products. That also make our local market import a lot of plastic and rubber related machinery. In the other hand, car industry is also a very important market for Egypt, such as like plastic and rubber related car spare parts is also a big demand in the local market. Most of important, Egyptian government now they are trying to promote Made in Egypt policy that create some demand for the machinery and the equipment. So what we can do, what TaipeiPLAS can do, through TaipeiPLAS office, we can find you some suitable, reliable, and energy-saving supplier, such as like today's event, TaipeiPLAS. We can offer you some very informative information and also reliable supplier. With the join together with Taiwan supplier, we can make your policy more successful and bring you more business, more profit. So please feel free to contact with TaipeiPLAS office worldwide. We are pleased to inform you and to help you with many informative information and reliable supplier. Thanks for choosing TaipeiPLAS office, Taiwan Trading office. Please join with us and we make it successful together. Thank you. Thanks for your attending today's webinar. Thank you.
Next is Mr. Wolfgang Tang, the show manager of TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei, our main exhibitions for Taiwanese rubber and plastics machinery industry. Let's have his perspective on these.
Hey there, good to have you online with us. I'm Wolfgang Tang, the show manager of TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei. In the next 7 minutes, I will introduce you both the industry and the show. Taiwan plastic and shoemaking industry and this year's TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei online exhibition and DigitalGo, a unique brand new format for exhibition. So stay tuned and don't go away. First of all, I'd like to tell you the global plastics and the rubber industry. In 2020, global plastic market $580 billion and compound annual growth rate 3.4%. On the other hand, global rubber market reached $43 billion with annual growth rate 8%. As you know, plastic and rubber are everywhere in life, so a huge demand for plastic and rubber will continue driving the growth and innovations. Worldwide plastic and rubber machinery plays an important role. The production value of global plastic and rubber machinery last year, $43 billion. Top 6 export countries were Germany, China, Japan, Italy, the USA, and Taiwan. The top 6 occupied 19% of global export values, around $18.7 billion. Plastic and rubber machinery is one of the biggest machinery industry in Taiwan, second to machine tool only. The production value in 2020, $1.4 billion. The export value reached $572 million, January to July in 2021, up 12% compared to 2020. Top 10 destinations Taiwan export to was China, Vietnam, USA, Indonesia, Japan, Thailand, India, Turkey, Malaysia, and Saudi Arabia. Injection molding machine, extrusion molding machine, and blow molding machine are major export items. So let's look at 3 market trends now. They are happening both globally and in Taiwan. So sustainability, develop innovative and sustainable solutions. Industry 4.0, apply intelligent automation machinery, integrate smart manufacturing system. Post-COVID-19 era, recover from impacts by the pandemic and prepare for challenge and opportunity in the post-COVID-19 world. So, Taiwan's comprehensive supply chain and cross-sector integration always meet the market trends. Let's have an overview of Taiwan's plastic and rubber industry. On average, about 400 rubber and plastic machine makers, most of them in Tainan, Taichung, and Hsinchu, and 98 of them small and medium enterprises. The production value of Taiwan plastics and rubber machinery around $1.4 billion US. Major items are injection molding machines, extruders, blow molding machines, and other machinery and parts. This is an industry map. As you can see from here, we have a strong petrochemical industry to support the plastic machinery industry. And the downstream applications cover 4 industries: packaging, construction, consumer goods, and automobiles. Now, let's move on to another Taiwan's outstanding machinery industry, shoemaking machine industry. Export value January to July in 2021 reaches $33 million US and up 9.8 from 2020. Top 10 export destinations were from top to bottom: Thailand, Indonesia, India, China, Cambodia, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Turkey, Thailand, and Japan. TaipeiPLAS is not only Taiwan's largest and one and only plastic and rubber industry trade show, and the 3rd largest in Asia and 6th largest in the world. It's a one-stop sourcing platform for the plastic and rubber industry. A full range of expertise on plastic and rubber processing machinery, packing and printing machinery, machines and equipment for recycling, accessory equipment, molds, dies, raw material, industrial robots and 3D printers, specialized area for overseas exhibitors and trade media. ShoeTech Taipei, the one and only international shoemaking technology show in Taiwan, is an exclusive trade platform for shoemaking machine makers in Taiwan, showcasing products, service, and innovations. The exhibits include shoemaking machinery, shoemaking material and accessories, and test instrument. The online exhibition will be coming soon on September 28. Just log in online.taipeiplus.com.tw now. Simple and easy. A visitor may collect exhibitor information, product catalogs, and connect with exhibitors in many ways, for text message, video conferencing, or scheduling meetings online. Also, the online exhibition can easily log on TaipeiPLAS forum, seminars, and exhibitors factory in-house live on the web, podcast, and brand new two-way sourcing match-up, TTS match. These will impress you with fascinating online expression for sure. High-profile exhibitors and famous Taiwanese machine makers include FCS, LIEN FA, HCI, Polystar, Tensor, Chain Power, TIEN KANG, and Desma. They will showcase their products, service, and innovations in this digital platform. The next TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei in 2022 will be staged from September 27th to October 1st at Taipei Nangang Exhibition Hall 1. Feel free to contact us anywhere, anyhow, no matter on-site or online, or you may contact Taitra Overseas Office nearby if you have any questions. TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei official websites are always there for you all the time. Thank you for your time. Stay safe and see you all at TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei 2021 online exhibition and DigitalGo.
Taitra's director in Turkey and Egypt. The next guest is Mr. Will Huang, Sales and Operations Director of TIEN KANG Company. Will is going to tell us TIEN KANG's success stories on making EVA and rubber injection molding machines. Mr. Huang, the spotlight is on you.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Will Huang, a Regional Sales Director from TIEN KANG. TIEN KANG is a professional machinery company that produces many kinds of footwear molding machines. As you know, The younger generation no longer can endure heavy loading work, and the shortage of the workers becomes more and more serious, and the labor cost is getting higher. Therefore, how to make the operation of machine with more automatic process becomes a more important demand. And today, it is my pleasure to take this occasion to introduce to you our latest developments of automations applied on sew making machines. In today's presentation, I will cover these topics. First of all, I will introduce to you about TIEN KANG. After the brief introduction of TIEN KANG, I will also bring out the most advanced machines online for your reference. If you have any questions, you may contact us online after presentation is finished. TIEN KANG founded since 1982 with 40 years of experience in sew manufacture machinery. We sold more than 9,000 sets of machines in the past 40 years, and we have 16 regional offices worldwide. We served more than 25 international footwear brands. Until now, TIEN KANG are the top 3 shoe manufacturer machinery provider in the world. This is the new headquarters of TIEN KANG. The first sight to the building of TIEN KANG is from our logo. It was constructed with exposed concrete. TIEN KANG is going to celebrate for its 40 years anniversary, and the proposed adopting exposed concrete construction on the new office building is to convey the common belief in the company, to behave oneself with honesty, to perform work with responsibility, to produce machine with reliability. With strong confidence for future, all members of TIEN KANG strive together to produce the new mileage stone. In order to provide more wider customer range to cover the global market and follow the footwear industry, we have decided to set up a factory in Quanzhou, China in 2014. This is our global service system around the world. The red represented our production base in Taiwan and China, and the blue color represented the technical service site set up directly by TIEN KANG, which is located in China, Vietnam, Indonesia, which is the place where major shoe factories are located. And the orange color stands for our technical representative in different countries to support our customer locally. The core of our product development relies to the machine performance, sustainability, cost, innovation, and processing. We provide total solutions with turnkey services, including from the footwear equipment, more technology, material application, and also mass production technology. So we give you a total solutions for footwear industries. TIEN KANG has a very wide production floor according to different types of materials such as EVA, rubber, PU, even for TRT, PR, and PVC. So we are a professional sew machine makers for different kinds of material. Now, let me give you a quick review over our product development. First of all, let's look into TIEN KANG's EVA machine development milestone. In 1999, TIEN KANG Technical cooperated with an Italian company, Wintec, for EVA injection development. We officially launched this new technical independent cylinder clamping design in 2002. In only 3 years, we sold over 800 sets of EVA injection machines into the market. Until now, we received a global approval from many international footwear brands such as Nike and Adidas. And we accomplished the total sales number 5,000 sets of injection EVA machines into the global market. In EVA molding process, there are 3 major processes. On my left-hand side is the EVA injection for single color process, and there are also EVA cold shot process for multicolor of double density outsole design. On my right, we have an EVA hot and cold molding machine with rotary design. So in EVA process, we provide a higher tech with vacuum chamber structures for each station to provide a more stable quality during the production. And we also provide a single color with 4 injectors for more flexible production arrangement and more colorful options during productions. This is one of our customers who manufacture Crocs and Adidas midsole in Vietnam. As you can see, this is the machine with single color, each station with 2 mold production, which is the now most widely used in EVA molding process. Now, let's look into the machine development adopted with rubber materials. TIEN KANG started rubber injection machine development since 1999. In 2002, we first developed the FIFO injection system. In 2014, we developed the rotary rubber injection molding machines, which are now be widely used in Adidas, Converse, and Nike's production. In rubber molding process, it was even divided into 2 major systems, the injection and compression. In injection systems, we have 2 options for customer. Rotary system with 1 operator for 12 molds, and vertical injection system with 1 mold, 4 pair designs. In compression system, we have developed an independent system which can increase 20% of productivity compared to the traditional compression molding machine. And we also adopt the vacuum chamber for better quality control. This is our rotary rubber injection machine with 1 operator operate 12 sets of mold, and the rest of the molding process will finish by the machine itself automatically. And now let me introduce to you the machine's development adopted with thermoplastic and PU materials. First of all, TIEN KANG also produced 60 and 80 station rotary automatic PU casting machines. You may possible to produce PU insole, PU saddles, or PU safety shoes. This video is one of our customers in India who produce PU saddles for local market, and we can reach the productivity from 9,000 pairs to 12,000 pairs per day according to your design and material physical properties. TIEN KANG also provides the machines for TR, TPR, TPU material to produce products such as soccer soles and casual soles. Now, let me give you a quick introduction for our automatic 2-density PVC safety boot injection molding machines. We start an international technical cooperation with an Italian brand company for these rain boot machines. With all-wind mechanical structure designed original from the best Italian company, we can produce the type of the boots such as 2-density boots with toe cap device and maximum height 490 millimeters, normal long boots from 400 to 490 millimeter height, and even child boots. All mold open and close functions are equipped with automation systems and equipped with fast mold changing over design. We provide all kinds of automatic rotary TR, TPR injection molding machines for different types of requirement. So you may find a variety of sole making machines in TIEN KANG with total solutions from machines, mold technique, material methods, and mass production efforts. Thanks for your listening. Shall you have any more questions or any more details you may want to know, please feel free to contact us by the above online contact information.
After Will's presentation, it's my honor to have Mr. Terence Chen, Sales Director of HCI, enlightening us their knowledge on the design and make of a full range of converting equipment and sliotar rewinder for flexible package. Terence, you have our time.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Terence Chen. It's nice to have an opportunity here to introduce HCI to all of you. Now I'm going to show you who we are, what we do, and what are we going to do. HCI Converting Equipment we established in 1982. We're located in the Taichung Industrial Park in Taiwan. Our main products is converting equipment for flexible packaging. We have over 160-90 units per year, and 80% export to Asian country, Middle East, African, Europe, and America. This is the countries we've been installed the machine. In the past 40 years, we have installed more than 4,000 machines to 108 countries all over the world. This is our main products. We have the coating machine, laminating machine. It's doing the coating and the roll-to-roll lamination. We have inspection and rewinding machine. We do the defect inspection, tension correction, and edge alignment. I have a slitting machine, rewinding machine. It's mainly for major film, paper, and multi-layer film. And we have a pouch making machine for flexible packaging. We have FTSC, three-side seal, stand-up zipper pouch, and ESD bag making machine, center seal, and sterilization pouches making. We also have shrink sleeve line with a seaming machine, darkening machine, and cutting machine. Besides this, we also have a related equipment like embossing machine, flatten and sheeting machine, micro perforation and macro perforation, and also trim winder. I'm going to show you the slither rewinder. We have a different type of a slither rewinder for different purpose. This is FSL-TX model, which is most popular in these years. And we also have a pouch making machine, FTSC model, mainly for producing standard pouch zipper attachment for food packaging. Besides the food packaging, we also have the slither rewinder for medical packaging. This is slither rewinder especially for melt-blown fabric, which is making mask, face mask. We also have a bag making machine. This is for sterilization pouches, reels making. Okay. We also have a shrink sleeve line, which do the shrink sleeve for beverage bottles. We have a seaming machine, inspection machine, and cutting machine. So besides those more standard equipment, we also have the flexibility for customer to choose their machine design for different purpose. You can have the different web page like compact machine or have a separate unwind stand. I have different type of cutter systems. I have the products pusher, and also this is a turret unloading device. We also have this 4 rewinding shaft turret slitters, which is make more easier in operation. This is the HMI, and I have this also advanced model of unloading stand, which is turret and up and down systems to assist the operator to unloading the products, especially the heavy-duty job. This is our seaming machine, which has a turret rewinding, needle type, glue application systems, forming systems, and this is the glue inspection systems and lay flat width checking. On the medical pouches reels, we have the 4 rewinding shaft rewinder, which is help the productivity efficiency a lot. Besides this, we also take the customized machine. Normally, our products is a round shape, but we have required from customer that they want the oval shape products. After that, we start design. This is web feeding systems. This is rewinding systems and robot to take in the products and put on the curing systems. So we comes out with this 3D design, and it came true. So based on those technology and design R&D ability, we have quite a lot of patterns in the past. This is some samples of our 2D design and the 3D design, which is we can discuss before we produce the machine with customer, use these simulation systems. And we got a lot of quite a lot of awards during the past years. And year 2016, we won the Plastic and Rubber Machinery Award for Excellence in Research and Innovation. We also got incentive from CITD for the high-speed sliter rewinder with turret rewinding systems. Now I'm going to use this pyramid to show you our history and vision. In 1982, we started business and from a very small factory. And this is the machine what we built then. 1985, we moved to a little bit bigger factory, and we have the different model, more advanced, a little bit advanced systems in sliter rewinder. And 88, we moved to industrial park. Is what we hear right now. And the same year, we launched the first computerized controlled equipment. And 2015, we enlarged our floor area to 5,000 square meters and have a more friendly operations sliter rewinders. 2016 to 2021, we launched the new list of turret sliters, and we tell us we're going to be a practical solutions provider to customers' converting needs. So, give us a try. We may offer the solution to your needs. Moreover, we may create the market needs together. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day.
Terence, thank you for your wonderful presentation. Last but not the least, I'm presenting you Mrs. Angela Lu, brand ambassador of LIEN FA Injection Machinery Company. Angela would let us know their rich experiences added up from building various injection molding machines. Angela, the floor is yours.
Hi, I'm Angela Lu. Today I will introduce to you the company and products of LIEN FA Injection Machinery. LIEN FA started out as a manufacturer of injection molding machines and plastic products in 1967. By 1977, our efforts in R&D capacity have enabled us to specialize in the designing and manufacturing of all types of injection molding machines. As we continue to improve our engineering techniques, R&D capacity, and service quality, we have established our own machining facilities in 1992. Today, our machines are installed in more than 50 countries around the world, with a reputation for high-quality injection machines and technical support services. LIEN FA has a full production line of hydraulic injection machines from 40 to 4,000 tons. Our standard machines have 3 series. First of all, we have the ST, single-cylinder direct clamping structure, MT, 4 cylinders direct clamping, and MT2, dual lock platen with 4 cylinders direct clamping. The size of MT2 is 20 to 30% smaller than other injection molding machines in the market. The advantages of hydraulic machines are, first of all, clamping force is constant because of the center piston construction. Also, it is very easy to adjust clamping tonnage, even during the cycle. Second, the opening and closing cylinder of the mold provides a straight travel of the movable platen, which creates an accurate alignment with the fixed platen. And third, the direct clamping pressure by centralized piston construction provides even distribution on the platen, which will prevent misalignment of the mold. Fourth, hydraulic short-stroke cylinder use only a small amount of oil. This clamping system is considered to be a much cleaner system, which need less maintenance than other machines. Our latest machine is the GT series, which just came out this year in 2021. And some of the great features of this series includes, first of all, the size of the machine is reduced by 30%, while retaining the same mold opening stroke and capacity. Second, the auxiliary fuel tank is adapted to improve high oil temperature problem, which is commonly seen in the existing design in the market. And third, with its one-way cylinder design, the maintenance is much easier and has better cooling efficiency. Also, by using a larger hydraulic cylinder, there's no need to increase the system pressure setting, while the clamping force requirement can be achieved. And finally, the injection unit adopts a twin-cylinder push injection design, which can increase the reaction speed. Next, I will introduce some other different types of machines that we provide with special functions. Eco, electrical type, which is purely powered by electricity. Since there's no need to use oil, this type of machine is often provided for production that requires a strict clean environment, such as products for laboratory use or for the medical and electronic industry. The advantages of Eco include energy saving by 50 to 70%, high cleanness, low noise, and for production environment that needs to meet specific standards. For vertical systems, we have two different types of machines. One is VR, vertical with rotary table. The other is VL, vertical with sliding table. Vertical systems are good for products that needs to be inserted from one material into another, such as hand tools with a metal head and a plastic handle, as well as products that need second injection, for example, products with two different colors or patterns. Next is MTD, multicolor system. We have three different types of machines. MTD BI is a basic multicolor machine with two sets of injection units that can shoot two different colors separately at the same time. MTDD has two injection units for shooting different materials. If you have products with different materials on the same piece, it will help you save the secondary processing. MTDM can shoot not only multicolors, but have them mixed together, which can create special patterns like marble or amber. It is often chosen by our customers who wish to give their products a different and unique look. And finally, these are our additional systems, which can be added on to your current machines to provide additional features. HB, which is an energy-efficient hybrid system. It saves 50 to 70% of the energy than traditional machines. HS, high-speed molding. This can be used for products that requires a larger injection speed in the production process. This feature is especially great for thin products, for example, disposable plastic food container. If you need both the features of HB and HS systems, then HBH would be your top choice. It provides energy saving and high-speed advantages at the same time. In terms of applications, our machines can be used for productions in different industries, including electronics, automotive, logistics, packaging, shoes, cosmetics, and medical industries. Also, our machines perform very well for products include CPVC and UPVC pipe, PET preform, and PLA tableware. With the trust and support of our customers, our machines are installed in more than 50 countries around the world, in Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and America. Also, we have great service teams to provide technical support in Turkey, Algeria, Germany, Canada, the US, Brazil, China, Vietnam, Thailand, India, and of course, Taiwan. LIEN FA is committed to build high-quality dream machines with the latest technologies for our customers in different industries that would fit their specific needs and requirements. In other words, we can have your machines custom-made as well. So for further inquiries or support, please feel free to contact us. We will be very happy to help. And thank you very much for your time today. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you soon.
After the presentations, we are inviting representatives back to the stage. And now it is our Q&A time, the fun time. So before the questions, I think we just have Emerald ask questions to the TIEN KANG about medical insoles, and they just had some quick chat via the chat room. And also Sammy asked questions that is to LIEN FA about LIEN FA's machine with guarantee 10 years. So for this question, I think maybe the representative from LIEN FA can give a very quick answer back to Sammy. Ms. Biyun, please turn on your microphone.
Okay. About the guarantee 10 years, I'm sorry, we usually get the guarantee 10 years only for Type R, but for the machine, the components usually is 1 year to 2 years. It depends on the supplier to give us. So we are sorry about the 10 years guarantee for machine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Biyun, for your the answers. And here I have a quick question for everyone, our representative, because Taiwan's machine makers are very customer-centric, willing to offer tailor-made products to meet different requirements from the market. So what was your most memorable story about crafting machines to win business with your clients? And this one, I would like to invite TIEN KANG's, I think we have Will, and also Eric, maybe Mr. Yan with us. So yes, TIEN KANG, please, may we have your comments on this question?
Okay, this is
customization.
Okay, I'm Eric. I handle the Turkey market. So regarding your question, I think
yes.
For the actually for we already 40 years, so we produce all kind of weighing machine. So this is the reason for sure we can make some customer in case you need, we can make a customer requirement to you. But normally our customer will follow our suggestion and our opinion to produce our general machine because we already 40 years, so we have a full experience on it. So in case that minor customer is okay, but for the general one, we can have a case by case to discuss. For example, like the screw design, the pitch, we can design, we can follow your idea to do it. But it will be better to follow our specification. Otherwise, we can guarantee for a risk. So we can have a cooperation with you together. And in case you have any requirement, we can case by case to discuss. But for us, we are flexible, so we can do it to you. This is my answer.
Thank you, Eric. Thank you for your answers. And the next, I would like to invite Terence of HCIS to comment on the tailor-made part. But besides, also we have a question from Gordon about your converting machinery to make courier bags.
Okay.
So
okay.
Please, Terence.
Thank you, Gordon. First of all, I'd like to thank you for your questions. For the bag making machine, our machine is mainly designed for multi-layer material bag making. Basically, the film has to be done after lamination, so it's not suitable for courier bag making. So that's first question. And secondly, is about the Alex, what you said is tailor-made machinery. Okay. In HCI, our slogan is to offer the practical solution to customers' needs. The market demand is changing faster and faster. So actually, we are not able to survive if we could only do routine jobs. So we're very happy to be a partner with our customer to design and build up a customized machine for them to overcome the bottleneck during their current production. Then we may have more opportunity to enter the blue ocean market competition together. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Terence. And the same question for LIEN FA about customize the products. So Biyun, please, you may turn on your speaker.
LIEN FA is flexible for customer needs. For custom-made machine, we are not only do the brand new design machine for customer, but the simple adjustment or the change for on standard machine to solve the problem that's product production needs for customer. For example, we will integrate the different types of injection unit with different size of mold opening system, so the customer can have the better choice to fit their product. And for LIEN FA, we do a different kind of injection molding machine, not only the big range of the hydraulic machine, but the electronic, vertical color, multiple material, or the rotary type of shoes machine. So we have a different experience for different kinds of needs. So we are conform to the different customer needs and build a perfect machine and match for their needs. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Biyun. And I think this question is also for you. That is from Peggy, asking about in COVID-19, it's inconvenient for us to visit your factory in Taiwan. Is there a corresponding solution?
Sure. Before
this
COVID,
issue?
we usually provide the online showroom and live video for customer to see our machine or the factory. And after the COVID, we provide the live class or the machine education training for customer when they have our machine, when they receive it, and we can teach them step by step. Or even the customer need maintenance or need to adjust their system, we have the different video or the step guidebook to show them how to solve the problem. And if they cannot solve the problem, we will do the live video with them too. So there is no problem that they cannot come in Taiwan or we cannot visit their factory. So we still can do the service no matter where they are. Yes.
Thank you, Biyun. This is a very good answer to all of us. Just like this time we cannot meet face to face, but through the digital tools, we still can achieve something together. And now I think the question will back to TIEN KANG. Back to Eric. The question from, I think it's Mr. Burak, asking about, do you have representative in Turkey? Because they are specialized in rubber machinery and also provide EVA machines for shoe soles producers. So do you have do you need a representative in Turkey?
Yes. So
Eric,
far, we didn't
please.
have an agent in Turkey, frankly speaking, because before we have an agent there, but we didn't have a cooperation with them around the year 2010. So these 10 years, we always work by ourselves. We do the service by ourselves directly because right now it's quite convenient. We can by email, we can have a robotic. So even when machine arrive there, we still can do the by internet to do the robotic directly. So for this one, we don't have the agent, but we are looking for the agent in Turkey. So in case anyone who are interested to help us to sell the machine in Turkey, welcome to join us.
Thank you, Eric. And Brooke, I hope this answers your question. The next one, I'm going to ask for the Terence HCI regarding the packaging industry. What are your company's strengths? Terence, please.
And as I mentioned in my presentation, we have first of all, in this machinery competition and business, the first is our flexibility. We have these 40 years experience. We could customize and design and manufacture the different how to say the features for customers' different requirement, as everyone is different. And secondly, we offer the wide range of our products. For example, we have a different model of slitting machines to slit for film, plastic film industry, paper, and multi-layer, and from the wide range of the products. And the third one, the application of our machinery is very wide. We offer the equipment for food packaging, and we also have the equipment stamp slitting or rewriting machine for medical packaging, and pouch making machine for food packaging, also for medical packaging as well. And we have the equipment for electrical industry as well. So mainly we offer hopefully we offer the solutions to as wide as much to assist our customers. This is something we very good. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for explaining the strength of HCI. And the next question was from William, and this one is for, I think it's for TIEN KANG. His question was, will TIEN KANG's machine consume a lot of power, I think energy part, and how many pairs can EVA injection molding machine produce per day? Eric, the question is for you.
Injection machine, actually it can produce, for example, it depends on the curing time of the materials. So I can just give you the rough idea to see how many pairs can be produced per day. We take a 2-3 shift, 22 hours, and take an hour etching machine. It can produce around 5,000 to 6,000 pairs per day. So it's just a rough idea. The exact quantity will depend on the material's curing time. This is my answer.
Thank you, Eric. So I hope this answers William's question. Peggy came up with a question about, I think this is for LIEN FA, the machine inspection and educational training institutions.
Yes, for us, actually, as
so
the last question, we do the online service, so that is not the big problem for us to show how to do for all the machines, how to work it, how to fix it, or how to do a setting on the computer.
I see. Thank you. And the next one was from Hussein, I think. Hopefully my pronunciation is correct. I think this is for TIEN KANG again. Can your machine be used by the leather shoe producers? Is that workable for leather?
Actually, in our machine, we have a DIP machine. It can produce with the leather upper and the direct injection for the sole. But for the leather, it will necessary to have a roughing and also the glue. Then we can do the injection. So in case you are interested, later I will show the video to you maybe on the YouTube or something, and I will show the video to you for your reference. Yes, you can do it, but just I told you that you need to do the roughing and also the glue.
Thank you, Eric. And one question from Alan. Yes, I hope. So this one for HCI. He asks, dear Mr. Terence, please introduce us more features of your newly two-rate sliter.
Thank you, Alex.
Terence.
As my presentation just now, the slit, we have a very wide sliter reminder for many different type of material. But in general, the slitting job, the slitting process, which is we have a very long, very very critical issue is the shutdown time, because in traditional process we have to stop the machine and to take out all the products from the machine and put on a new core and for the new job setting. So sometimes, as for the short run time, for some of the packaging requirements, only 1,000 meters or 1,500 meters products only, then maybe the machine running time is about 5 to 8 minutes, and the shutdown time is about 10 minutes. So it's very waste the times. And so now recently we launched a new sliter rewinder, which is a 4 rewinding shaft systems, which is 2 pairs. And we use the automatic design to have the automation splicing and cutting. We have a machine with non-stop. When the product is done, they turn it to outside, and we have the auto splicing systems, auto cutting systems, and auto new paper core positioning systems to have the machine can continuous running with the very, very short shutdown time only, which is almost double the productivity compared to the traditional existing slitting process. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. And since we are running out of the time, I would like to take this chance to thanks for the very vigorous participation of our friends from the EMEA and also our representatives in Taiwan. And this is the 3rd episode of TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei DigitalGo market webinar. The next one will be on the next Tuesday, which is the 19th, 10:30 p.m. Taiwan time. So we will have 4 more companies to share with you about their solutions, especially for the packaging, that is application of plastics. And thank you for joining us this webinar, and we hope to see you very soon. And by the way, if you have further questions regarding to today's topics, you may leave your questions and we will relay them to our representative later. And thank you for watching this webinar. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.